Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to join Alliance in Dark War. Joining an alliance unlocks new features and enhances your gameplay experience. Once you've leveled up enough, access the alliance section by tapping the flag icon above the envelope and next to the world option. Here, you can explore recommended alliances that meet your requirements or use the search function to find a specific alliance you have in mind. You can also use the quick join button to automatically join a suitable alliance instantly. If you prefer, you can create your own alliance for a small fee, setting its name, slogan, flag, and language to customize your group. Joining an alliance allows you to participate in events, wars, and collaborative rewards, giving you strategic advantages and a community to support your progress in last war survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.